Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Well, thanks, Gordon. We're going to take it down to Hamburg, Camp Road exit 57 on the I-90. Looks pretty dry down there right now, but a little bit of light snow is going to be pushing into this area quite shortly. As we check it out on radar, you'll see some of that advancing in from the southwest. But most of this activity is going to be missing the city per se, and most of the suburbs, though maybe the south towns will have a little bit of a greater chance of catching some of the snow shower activity from time to time during the day. But persistent lake effect continues this morning. Areas mainly to the south and north of the city. We have this batch, too, across northern Niagara and Orleans counties. This may put down another inch or two of accumulation. However, this stuff should drift northward and start to diminish as we get into the afternoon, whereas this will linger across areas to the south of the city. So the southern half of Erie County, Wyoming County getting into some of this, and also Chautauqua and portions of Cattaraugus. And I upped the ante on the snowfall forecast down here. There may be some 2 to 4 inch accumulations in spots out of some of this lingering lake effect, at least across the ski country today. Now, tonight, this weekends, but it also starts to move northward, and it will work through the Metro Buffalo area, maybe with a quick inch of accumulation, at least during the overnight period. We really don't have to worry about that around the city today, though. And most of the suburbs, again, there's going to be a little bit of a greater chance of catching some of these snow showers in the southern suburbs, especially Hamburg, Orchard Park, East Aurora. But around the city and the eastern and northern suburbs, just basically cloudy today, with maybe just a passing light snow shower, maybe even some odd breaks in the clouds, especially later this afternoon. 20 at 8 a.m., noontime 23, looking at 25 degrees there at 5 p.m. for the trip home later today. On the Super Microcast, here's what's shaping up for this Friday. Again, persistent areas of lake effect snow south and north of the city. This is the stuff that's going to be pushing northward through the metro during the overnight. But notice how it weakens considerably as it does so. So maybe just an inch of accumulation out of that. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies for the overnight. Now, by tomorrow morning, we're getting into widespread light snow. You can see that advancing in here from out of the west, pretty much overspreading most of the areas we get into the morning hours tomorrow. The greatest accumulations actually across the Niagara frontier. We may get a little bit of lake enhancement off the eastern end of the lake. If that happens around Buffalo and the suburbs, we'll see the greatest accumulations. Amounts will probably drop off, though, closer to the Pennsylvania line. Then that will scatter out to some scattered snow showers, a brisk wind blowing on Sunday with mostly cloudy skies and still some pretty chilly temperatures. They're just hanging in there. In fact, today's highs generally in the lower to mid-20s across the area. Newfane about 24 degrees, and the north towns lower to mid-20s, and the Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence. Maybe about 20 will do it for high in Batavia. Down the south, edging up close to 20 degrees along the Pennsylvania line, and also back to the west here at Jamestown, into the low to mid-20s again at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca. Best chance of snow this morning, lower end of the 219, some on the QEW, definitely on the Thruway West and the Route 5 corridor, and also the I-86, just basically cloudy skies on the Thruway east into Rochester. 17 degrees at Buffalo presently, 12 down there at Bradford, a bit of a wind chill in the southern tier, 6 at Jamestown and Wellsville right now. Here's your forecast. A few snow showers in the metro today, but snow showers more numerous north and south of the city. 2 to 4 inches in the ski country, 1 to 2 inches well to the north, and the highs today 20 to 26 degrees. The overnight, snow showers weakening and moving northward through the city. Otherwise cloudy, more light snow developing toward morning region-wide, 14 to 19. Light snow likely tomorrow, 1 to 3 inch accumulation out of that. Lesser amounts well to the south, 25 to 29. Then just scattered snow showers on Sunday, high temps in the lower 20s. More snow develops later on Monday, maybe just a passing snow shower during the day, 23.